In this video, I'm going to explain you people how you can use ChatGPT or different AI models as your assistant planning engineer. Because this is a hot topic right now that if you are not going to use AI models to assist you in your work, then might be possible in upcoming days you will be replaced by those people who are working on these skills. Well, my name is Engineer Waqas Ahmed and I'm the trainer coach for project planning control and I have 15 years plus experience and I observe it very closely in 2026 and onward. AI is going to play a very important role in project planning, control, and project management on construction projects and oil and gas projects. Before getting into the detail of today's video, I would request you people to subscribe this channel so that in future, if I make any video, you get that link on time. So before getting into the detail, I just want make sure one more thing that please watch this full video because at the end, I'm also going to share with you that prompt as well. So let's start understanding how to structure your prompt while communicating with AI model. Like in this video, I'm going to take as an example ChatGPT. You can use anyone, but the major focus is to structure your prompt. And I'm going to take example as a pipeline project, scheduling and WBS and all that. So let's start. So here is AI planner prompts. So how to structure your prompt engineering as a planning engineer and utilize AI models as your assistant planners to enhance your efficiency and productivity. This is much needed thing right now. If you are going to add this skill, it means you are going to play a very important role for any multinational company. So let's start with it. Whenever you talk about your prompt engineering, you are going to communicate with AI models. First of all, you have to give this thing clearly to ChatGPT about the role. So define the role. Like I won't ask anything to ChatGPT about content writing, about image creation, about creation of WBS of any random project. So I have to tell ChatGPT act like that specific mastery role. Like for example, right now in this video, I'm going to take an example of pipeline construction project. So I have to ask ChatGPT act like a project manager for pipeline projects. So first thing, we have to be very much sure about the role, what we want ChatGPT to act in this prompt. So that is the first important thing. The second important thing, we should be aware and familiar about the objectives, what we want from ChatGPT. After defining that basic role, objective should be very much clear. The second most important thing. And don't worry, at the end, I'm going to summarize each and everything with an example prompt, right? So these are the tiny things you have to add in your prompt. Third very important thing, define industry. Right now, I have told you that I'm going to take an example of pipeline construction project. So you have to explain and mention in the prompt that you are going to consider the data as per oil and gas or construction project within pipeline industry. So that is going to strict this ChatGPT to only gather data out of this industry like pipeline, like infrastructure or any other project you are working on. And then output, like you want this complete data in which format. Like if I talk about the creation of WBS, there are different kind of structures like parent-child model, node format, and at the end, it also matters you want this complete data in Word format, in PDF format, in plain format, in node format, or in Excel format. So this is very important to mention in the prompt. So all these 4 points have been very primary, basic, very mandatory to mention in every single prompt. Either you are working as a graphic designer, you are working as a copywriter, or you are working as a planning engineer. But here we go with the fifth point. The fifth point is going to deal with the depth level, how much detailed data level you require. So you have to mention that one. I will mention again in my upcoming example, I'm going to share with you that prompt as well. So sixth level is constrained. Many things I don't want include in this data. So I have to tell ChatGPT, I don't need this type of pattern. So I can set up one rule that you have to make this constraint. You have to not add this kind of data. And then I can give my assumption as per my requirement. Like you have to consider pipeline project which is on the offshore industry. You have to make different kind of sections and then you have to develop my scope of work, right? And this video is going to play a very important role if you are a fresher engineer, you are a mid-career level engineer and you are trying to switch your job career. Because many people are suffering like we have already execution experience, how we can switch our career. Nowadays, AI made it very much easy to understand AI models and work like a professional experienced engineers. And I am going to attach many links in this video details. There you can go and start learning Primavera P6 project planning control and start your journey. And in this video, I just want to mention that these things are really working as per real industry data. So here I'm going to share with you how do I get a very working prompt over here. So now you can see here, I have created one prompt and I'm going to give you this prompt as well. Like, this is my objective. Right now, I'm considering pipeline construction industry project. So if you are working as a execution guy in QA/QC, site engineer, field engineer, do comment in the comment section area so that my team can approach you and provide you this type of prompt and many more valuable links so that you can start your job role as a planning engineer. Apart from it, there is complete job hunting program which I'm going to explain in my upcoming live free masterclass. If you want to join that live free masterclass, you must comment in the comment section area. So everything is gonna be very much valuable. So are you ready to go to see all this prompt? How did I compile this prompt? So let's start having this prompt on your screen. So right now you can see the shaded black area is the role I have made understand to Chat GPT. You have to act as senior EPC planning engineer with 15 years of experience in oil and gas pipeline project, because I have already mentioned this specialized case study is only for pipeline project, but you can also take this prompt fit your industry. Like if you are working on as building construction project, just replace pipeline project with building construction projects. Okay, this is the role. Then objective, generate a real industry based scope of work structure into a complete WBS. Now WBS is something I will be requiring at the very initial stage of project scheduling, right? So that is my objective. That is what I need from Chat GPT. Then context, project type is onshore, cross country, gas transmission pipeline, right? Diameter is 36 inch, length is 120 kilometers, scope is engineering, procurement, construction. That is what information we have to provide, and that is very easy to extract this data from contract document. Meanwhile, you can also upload your contract salient features on Chat GPT along with this prompt, so that this you can change those salient features as per your contract agreement, because in contract agreement everything is given there. And this is not I'm saying it is going to give you 100% results at level 2, at level 1, at level 2, level 3. They Chat GPT is going to provide 80 to 90% accurate data, and it is going to save your time, right? So these are the salient features you are going to add from your contract agreement. And then output requirements like full WBS, this is the output you are going to mention. Structure WBS as level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, level 5, and level 6. I have actually quoted that I need full detailed WBS, right? And then there is a constraint, include realistic industry elements such as route survey, geotechnical investigation, detailed engineering deliverables, long lead material, coating, trenching, welding, hydro testing, pigging and dewatering, SCADA, cathodic protections, mechanical completion. So these are generalized pipeline work. So I'm going to add that Chat GPT is going to work on their own data, but I'm mentioning to stay on the realistic data. So that is what I have to work on. So this prompt is going to very much important role. If you are going to play with the random prompt, might be possible it is not going to give you 100% accurate results, but with this prompt you are going to get maybe 95% accurate results, right? So here we are. Number 4 constraint or assumption include temporary facilities. Like when we are going to mobilize on site area, we have to set up temporary facilities, access road, right of way, environmental compliances, interface management. In every project scheduling document, these are very important things we need to add, and these are the instructions every client and consultant are going to ask you to add in your project schedule, right? Then keep structure practical and execution oriented. You have to remind Chat GPT again and again, don't take hypothetical data but stay on the realistic track. Point number 6, follow realistic EPC execution sequence, avoid generic explanation, do not explain theory, right? Keep formatting clean and professional. Depth level, advanced practical level suitable for Primavera P6 loading, target planning engineering, preparing EPC baseline schedule. Assume real construction logic and industry practice. So here I'm going to copy this one and I'm going to ask Chat GPT like this one. Okay. So right now you can also use deep search or anything, but deep search is going to take a lot of time. So right now in this example, I am going to make it like this way. You can use AI agent, right? If there is paid chat GPT, and this kind of prompt is going to play a very important role even you are using Gemini, Claude, or free version of chat GPT. So you have given this one, and you can see here we are, and this is how project management, HSC management, QAC management, engineering phase. See, pipeline detail engineering, civil engineering. In civil engineering, what kind of things you have to add? Procurement phase. This is all design phase, right? Power supply design and all that. See, everything. It is explaining each and everything about the project documentations. What should be completed before we are going to start project? HSC document should be completed. Further, it has given us the further breakdown. QAQC documentation should be completed before project is going to start. Now this is going to start engineering phase, and within engineering phase, all those drawings, it should be completed. Civil engineering, electrical instrumentation engineering documents, then procurement phase. What are the possible things procurement team? So now we can make filtering, like we can discuss with our departments what is needed, what is not needed. We can put our human effort and make it more productive and realistic. So this is construction phase, and temporary enabling works, temporary facilities, spread. This is what our section 1, 0 to 40 kilometer, because I have 120-kilometer lengthy pipeline construction project. So most probably it is going to divide it into the 3 sections. So within first section, there is a civil works. In civil works, we are supposed to do trenching, bedding, backfilling, mechanical works. These are the things: piping, stringing, fit up, NDT, field joint coating, lowering, crossing, road crossing, Wadi crossing, HDD crossing. Spread number 2, the second section, the same thing. So that is how you are going to have this complete organized data to load in Primavera P6, and having a structured information from your BOQ. BOQ is not systematic. Contract salient features you have to add in your prompt, and then just give your instructions to chat GPT as per planning data, as per scheduling data, and you will get this systematic data. And I'm also going to give you one link in which you can add this data in Excel sheet. There is a complete methodology I have explained already in another video. The link you can find in the video details. And moreover, if you will comment in the video comment section area, my team is going to provide you that link as well. In that link, you will automatically get this data into Excel sheet, and you will learn how to export and import that data into Primavera P6 as ready to go with Primavera P6, WBS and all that. Right now, I will be sharing WBS, Primavera P6, like you can see your all WBS, like you can see right now. So that link is also very important. In this video, I try to explain the complete methodology, how to structure your AI prompting as a planning engineer. This series is going to be very amazing, interesting for your job role in multinational companies, in international projects, to expedite your work, to enhance your productivity. If you are going to equip yourself, if you are going to skill up yourself with AI prompt engineering in your job role, then my fellows, it is going to play a very important role in your career growth, in enhancement of your salary and all that. I want here you also watch the second link, which is going to take you on the next level, in which I have make you understand how to take this data from this level and put into the Excel, and take your Excel into Primavera P6 and ready to go for project planning control WBS structure. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. See you in next video, in which I'm going to share with you next productive prompts. Don't forget to write in the comment section area. See you.